the group Horsegirl. Starts out on a C. Then it goes to a D minor. And I don't think they're playing D minor. I think they're just playing a D power chord like this. Just the top part of the D chord. And then they go to a B flat. And it's kind of like a grungy kind of distortion sound. But really, yeah. The key of the song is C. So the relative minor is A minor, and we can play A minor at the 5th fret. I think at the beginning of the song they play some riffs. And then at the end of the song, they play some octave riffs like. So all I'm doing there is playing the in the A string, like on this is a C octave. I'm playing the 3rd fret and the 5th fret on the G. Those are the same notes of 1 octave apart. And then everything else I'm muting. D, B flat. Alright, that's how you play it. I like that song. Thanks.